iPhone 13 Pro. Alpine green color. iPhone branding. The bottom side is the iPhone logo. For now, look back. New style has come to open the box. At the moment, hold it, pull it and open the box, it is feeling very good. Open the box. Amazing iPhone 13 Pro in Alpine green color. And this is iPhone 13 Pro Alpine green color. And we put it on the first side. And here we have the USB-C to Lightning cable and charger separately. When we have designed by Apple in California. Inside it is a simulator tool and basic paperworks and an iPhone sticker. Now let's look straight at our phone. First of all, if we talk about the back side, then all clean design is available and there is only one Apple logo. It comes in absolutely matte finish with frosted look. We have this all new triple real camera system, and here friends, all the three who are Cambridge, their sensor has changed and their lens has changed, everything has been updated by Apple. We have 12 plus 12 plus 12 megapixel setup. We have standard white camera, then an ultra-wide camera where we can also take micro photos, then 3x telephoto camera with friends lighter scanner and a flash mechanism, and there is also a microphone, and the option of cinematic video has also come here, which is the next level thing. We are going to try it next. First of all we start the phone and first comes the logo of iPhone and hello, now we meet after setting up the phone. We have 6.7-inch Super AMOLED HDR screen where it comes with an adapted refresh rate of 128 from 10 Hz. All the 120 Hz, you don't need to take any tension, you don't have to switch, you don't even have buttons. What do you do? How you are using the phone, that phone will automatically analyze and give you a better experience. Here the size of the dance above has become smaller by 20%. We have friends with secure Face ID mechanism along with 12 megapixel up to department camera system, and above is our ear Face. Again we get the option of speaker is. Let's talk in the phone. The top side of the physical view is going to be clean, and in the left side there is Apple's famous and very unique mute switch, volume up down button, then there is a SIM tray at the bottom. We talk about the speaker grill, mic grill and a lightning port and power unlock button on the right side. Here the battery life of iPhone 13 Pro is better than iPhone 12 Pro. Talking about performance. OS iOS 15, up to iOS 15.5, planned upgrade to iOS 16. Chipset Apple A15 Bionic, 5 nanometers. CPU hexacore, 2 by 3.23 GHz Avalanche plus 4 by 1.82 GHz Blizzard. GPU Apple GPU, 5-core graphics. Now let's talk about camera performance. And in camera, we have one side camera of iPhone 13 Pro and one side is camera of iPhone 13. Which of the two do you think is the better camera? Do tell by commenting below. And also tell us whether you like the iPhone 13 Pro series or the iPhone 13 series. And like, share and subscribe our channel and support our new channel. Thanks for watching video.